You will be nailed in the cross. Next. I don't know how to say that in English.
What is it?
Our legs.
Buka.
Guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Oh my goodness. Wala na namang magagawa ang pamilya ni Wonder Boy. Tignan nyo. Diba?
Hi. Good morning. Ano? Pagmamaigin pa yung iyong alulo.
May basa.
Alam baka.
Lagot ka. Tay, saan ka galing, Tay?
Oo, so may doktor niya daw.
Tumawid ka ba?
Ha?
Tumawid ka.
Oo, rito siya. Basta na kabila.
Basta
Wala, nang lumakas na rin ako sa ano. Kasi may baptismas church.
Hindi ka naman nabasa.
Ay, hindi. Wala. Ako, nakabisi ako nung una. Ay, lalabas ako. Imambun. Hindi ako nagbalik ako kung manaan lumakas. Ay, nagpalit nga ako na rin. Sabi ko kay Lola, pang-ula na inaka ng susunod ko. Ay, nang nangyari. Totoo nga, pagkatawar ko sa may baptist church roon na, ay umulan na ng tuloy-tuloy. Hanggang dito, hanggang ngayon dito.
What is up, guys? It's your boy, Wonder Z!
And it's your girl, Walhati Valencia Ignacio. And it's your girl, Flora Valencia Flora Gutierrez Valencia. Sorry.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3.
And it's your girl, Flora Gutierrez Valencia.
Very good. Very good. Palakpakan.
Today, guys, we are going to try the...
Saan ba yung try that?
Hindi, kasi guys, ngayong araw, tuturuan naming mag-Tagalog si Kate Lee. This is the 24 hours Tagalog challenge!
Oh, yeah!
Yay!
So, starting right now, you're speaking Tagalog, okay?
Ang ganda ko.
Okay.
Go!
I don't know.
Every time you speak English, you will pay $1. Okay? Do you understand? I don't have $1, so $1. You owe me $1. Pero guys, here's the challenge talaga. 24 hours English challenge kay Nanay at Chang!
Ooh, I'm very beautiful.
Ah! So starting right now, you guys are speaking in English! Woo!
English Carabao, I know.
Oh, that's fine. It's okay, Chang. It's okay as long as you speak English.
Yeah.
It's all good. But if you speak Tagalog word, you will pay me $5 each. Do you guys understand?
I understand.
Say ho ho!
Oh, you spoiled my tainga.
Oi! You speak
Sorry.
Tagalog!
Sorry, that is English.
What's
You spoiled my ear.
spoiled?
Okay.
What is spoiled?
Sinisira mo.
So what are we doing today, right now?
I don't know.
Do you guys wanna go exercise?
Yeah.
Woo! Exercise!
I'm
One,
sorry.
2, 3.
You're going to exercise, Chang. What can you say about Nanay?
Stand up. Let's make exercise.
You lead. Okay, you lead.
Lead.
What are we gonna do first?
1, 2. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, next.
1.
What do you call that exercise, Jam?
Point your shoulder. Your arms.
Your arms. Oh, you just sit down. Sit down. It's okay.
Okay.
Point your arms. What's next?
Put your arms. Cross your arms.
Oh, cross your arms.
You will be nailed in the cross. Next. I don't know how to say that in English.
What is
Cross
it?
our legs.
Buka.
1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Turn. To other side. 1.
It's your command.
Chang, you're doing good. You're doing good. Go
Yes,
ahead.
yes, I know.
I know. She knows. She knows.
Stand up. 1.
What do you call that exercise, Chang?
I don't know. Point your.
Point your what?
Body.
Body.
Yeah. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, our exercise is done. Thank you for
Thank you.
watching. Where we are going today? I said I don't know. Nothing. Taboo, nothing. What I said to you?
I don't know.
You guys wanna go to Jollibee?
Ay, I don't want that Jollibee. Pilipinas, always there. Every time, my companion, my brother, sister, let's go to Jollibee.
Let's go.
Why don't you like Jollibee?
I don't know how to say. Ako'y nagsasawa na rin.
She's doing good, right?
I'm doing very good.
You are bola-bola, man.
How do you like it here in America?
I don't like because very, what is that? Maginaw?
It's cold.
Very cold.
It is very cold.
Naninigas ako.